coolest thing about the SkillsUSA competition was being able to work around a bunch of cool people that all had the same mindset and loved working hands-on. It feels amazing to win the SkillsUSA competition.
SkillsUSA, it's an annual event that Boeing hosts. It's a really good simulation in a training environment of our manufacturing processes. Students mark on the calendar at the beginning of the school year and prepare all year.
I finished 16th last year, and then I came back and got second the next year here at the SkillsUSA competition. Most challenging part to me would be probably the mock interview. It was very nerve-wracking going into it, but I feel like I crushed it.
The mock interview experience will help me out in my future. The coolest thing that I did today at the SkillsUSA competition was finishing my plate. I wasn't able to finish it up last year, so it was nice to be able to leave here with a completed plate.
I couldn't be prouder of my students today. They had been coming in for months and working on their skill sets every week. I tell my students my goal for the day is we need to be professional and we need to be safe and just do the best that we can. And that's what the students have done today. The thing that gets me excited about the future of my students is watching what they can do with the opportunities that they're given.
My Core Plus aerospace instructor, Mr. Polson, is just amazing. He adapts to how you learn. Core Plus Aerospace helps high school students by allowing them to learn a new thing. It's been valuable to me to expand my options of a career that I want to do later on in life.
The future is very bright for those students. These programs are validated and we know what studies they've done and where they're coming from, and then we can bring them into our foundational training centers. We're here to give them an option, give them a path that they can take that will turn into a career.
The future for students from Core Plus and joining the Boeing company is the brightest it's been in years. The industry is growing and the industry needs people to come into these skills. If you're a high school student considering what to do after you get out of high school, it's a great opportunity.
My career goal, which I actually just fulfilled, was accepting a job offer with the Boeing company as an aircraft structures mechanic. I'm going to be a third generation Boeing employee. It's all because of Core Plus Aerospace.